英検第2回試験までもう間もなく。対策講座のお申し込みはお早めに。
Hello, and welcome to TOMAS Library. We will be introducing a book for you. I hope you will find it interesting and have a chance to read it. Today's book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie Bucket lives with his parents and grandparents in a town which is home to a world-famous chocolate factory. One day, the newspaper announces that the finder of the golden tickets will be invited to come and tour the factory. Charlie buys at Wonka Bar with some money he found in the snow. The bar contains the fifth and final ticket. On the day of the tour, owner Willy Wonka welcomes the 5 children and their parents inside the factory, a wonderland of confectionery creations that defy logic. They also meet the Oompa-Loompas, a race of impish humanoids who help him operate the factory. During the tour, the other 4 children give in to their impulses and are ejected from the tour in darkly comical ways. The Oompa-Loompas sing about the children's misbehaviour each time disaster strikes. With only Charlie remaining, Wonka congratulates him for winning the factory. Wonka explains that the whole chore was designed to help him find a worthy heir to his business, and Charlie was the only child whose inherent geniuses passed the test. They ride the great glass elevator and watch the other children leave the factory before flying to Charlie's house, where Willy Wonka invites the entire family to come and live with him in the factory. I hope you will find it interesting and read it sometime. Thank you for watching. As always, remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.